Dude, whatever the Russo brothers and Kevin Feige and Marvel are doing, they are about to kill this. A official Avengers Doomsday light show showcase was revealed at a Walt Disney Studios marketing expo over in China, and I'm going to reveal to us piece by piece what they revealed. Right here, we got our first look of Doctor Doom sitting in his drone, which may indicate that we get to see Latveria at some point in the film. And for the teams that we'll be showcasing, we got the Avengers, we got the Fantastic Four coming back from 828 universe, we got the OG X-Men characters from the Fox universe that are coming back, and we got the Wakandans along with Black Panther. And right here is probably the biggest reveal I've seen, because this means that they are going to bring this straight out from the comics to live action of Doctor Doom killing Thanos, ripping out his spine. Who is ready for this film? I know I am.